Don't say, I like it too much, because too means more than necessary. It means more than you want. So if you say, oh, it's too crowded in here, it means there are more people than you wanted. It's more crowded than you wish it were. The sound is too loud. Turn it down, it's too loud. It's louder than you want it to be. It's louder than it should be. So too is always like it's crossed the limit of what you like, which means it has a negative connotation, right? So what you mean, which is positive, is I like it very much. I like it so much. You could say so much. I like it so much. Or I don't like it much. I don't like it much. If you say it's too loud, it's too crowded, it means it's more than it should be. Got it? Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Two brothers. No sisters?
One sister.
Does your sister have children?
Two children.
Two children. One child, two children. Children. Okay, so your sister has two children. Boys, girls?
Two boys.
Two boys. So you have two nephews. You got it?
I understand.
So your nephew is your sister's son or your brother's son. And your niece is your brother's daughter. Your brother's daughter or your sister's daughter. Now, you have two brothers, right?
Yes.
Do they have children? Do your brothers have children?
No.
So you only have two nephews, no nieces.
No nieces.
No nieces. Anna, do you have siblings? Siblings. Brothers or sisters? Siblings.
Yes. One brother.
Does your brother have children?
No.
No children? So you have no nephews and no nieces.
No.
Okay, I got it. That's it. There are two things you can spend. Time and money. If you have money, and you spend money, your money runs out. When you spend it, for example, I get paid and then I need to spend money paying my bills or buying groceries, or I spend money on food, I spend money on clothes, I spend money on shoes. It's been a while I don't do that, but I spend money on surviving, right? Spend. I spend time. I spend time working. I spend time exercising. I spend time sleeping. I spend time having fun. So this is what spend means. It's when you have something and you use it. You have time, you spend your time doing something. You have money and you spend your money buying something, paying for something.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
The word none, N-U-N, sounds the same as the word none, N-O-N-E. Which color do you prefer, blue, black, or green? And you say none of them. None of them. This is N-O-N-E, which means zero. But what I mean is N-U-N. A woman in the Catholic Church, she will not get married, she will not have a family, she will marry the church. So she will spend her life working for the church, working for Christ, for the community, for other Christians. She wears this black and white outfit, like black, mostly black. There are other colors too. And she lives in a place with other nuns, and they work for the community and they help other people, etc. So this is a nun. She is a nun. You understand?
I understand.
Okay. Run out. Do you know what it means? Run out. I'll explain. You open a bottle of wine and you're drinking it. You drink 1 glass, 2, 3 glasses, and when you see it, the wine ran out. What does it mean? The wine ran out. It finished. It finished. You have a lot of money, you start spending your money, and when you see it, my money ran out. My money ran out. Something runs out, such as my money ran out, or you can say, I ran out of water, I ran out of money, my car ran out of gas. I need to go to the supermarket because we are running out of groceries. We're running out of groceries. We need to go grocery shopping. You got it?
Yes.